Okay, so here's the startup and shutdown video of my Sharp air conditioner, which is off now, and it's quite humid now, so I'm gonna ask my brother to turn it on. Turn it on! Okay, there it is. It is not noisy actually. So, there's a Sharp side grills. Side coils, rear coils. That's the refrigerant line, which is not yet wet, not really wet yet, but it's raining just now. And when it's raining, I just shut it off when it's now. That's why it's still wet a little. So there it is. Okay, there's the Sharp and the brand name cup. I don't know. You can't see the brand name anymore. It's 3/4 PK air conditioner. That's what people in Indonesia use for measuring air conditioners. So I don't know how many BTU is this. Maybe I should ask my father about it. So there it is. Wait. It's the air conditioner line, refrigerant line. Goes there. And there. Into the air conditioner. And then goes through the drainage pipe. Then goes down. Continues with the roof drainage. And goes here. And out. And the water go there. There's a hole there in the wall. So here's a Sharp again. I'll see if this can turn off now. Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Okay, there, turn off. Okay, I'm just waiting for the spin down. Okay. Here's the side coils again. There's a cover on the side, but there's no cover inside. So there's a refrigerant line on top, and it goes to the air conditioner inside. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.